definitely my grandmother. We say abuela because I'm Hispanic, and she passed away in 2019, but I still, to this day, I look up to her. So I grew up in a single parent household with my mom, so we spent every single day at my grandmother's house after school and on weekends, and she was just like a ball of warmth. Like anytime I saw her, she always had a smile. She's always so kind to everyone. And I didn't also like realize, like she had a big impact on me, but actually something that like really showed that was at her funeral. I don't think I've ever seen that many people in like an establishment at once, especially something of the sort, and everyone always had something good to say about her, and it just like really made me think about how I always saw her in that light. She's always so kind and wants to help others, and that's always something that like I strive to emulate.